Hi there! This video is here to help you calculate the area of a triangle by counting squares. Remember, the area of a shape is the measurement of the space inside it. Area is written in squared units of length, such as centimetres squared or metres squared, and is written like this. If a shape is drawn on a square grid, we can count the squares to calculate the area. When counting the squares, it's a good idea to mark them off as you go to make sure you don't miscount. For example, we can count the squares in this rectangle to see that its area is 12 centimetres squared. It is slightly more difficult to calculate the area of shapes which are not only made up of whole squares. Let's look at this triangle. We can count all of the whole squares first. There are 6. However, there is still some area inside the shape which has not been counted. In this triangle, we have 4 half squares, which we can add together to make 2 more full squares. The area of this triangle is 8 centimetres squared. Use this method to work out the area of these triangles. Here are the answers. How did you get on? Remember, you can always rewind the video to see how you should have completed this calculation if you need some more help. Sometimes a triangle contains parts of squares that are not exactly half. In these cases, we need to make an estimate of the area, thinking about which parts might come together to make approximately a whole square. Approximately means we cannot be sure of the exact area, but have made a good mathematical estimate. For example, in this triangle, we can start by counting the whole squares. We can then group together parts that look as though they might make a whole square. I've used colour coding to show how parts of the squares might come together to make a whole. These parts make approximately 4 squares. Added to the 8 whole squares, this means that the area of this triangle is approximately 12 centimetres squared. Use this method to work out the approximate area of these triangles. The first triangle had an area of approximately 10 centimetres squared, and the second triangle had an area of approximately 6 centimetres squared. Well done if you got that one correct. To finish, what do you notice about the areas of these two shapes? Pause your video now to come up with an answer. The area of the rectangle is 16 centimetres squared. The area of the triangle is 8 centimetres squared, which is half of the area of the rectangle. If we put 2 identical triangles together, we can see that they have the same area as the rectangle. Do you think this is always true? Make sure to watch our area of a right-angled triangle video to find out more. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to figure out the area of a triangle by counting squares. We have lots more videos on the Twinkl website, including other videos all about finding the area of a right-angled triangle, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.